Hi guys, my name is Atishay.
And my name is Shubham Mishra.
And today I will be explaining you the career path of a business analyst.
And on which I'll cover the part of project management, where to start and where to end, the whole career path of project management.
And I hope this video will clear all your doubts about what is the career progression of a business analyst or a project manager. So let's get started. So guys, I would like to think of business analyst career path not as a straight line, but as a train map with different stops, stations, and transfers along the way. I consider 4 starting points in a business analyst journey. So let me quickly share my screen and show you. Okay, so these are all the stations you can say, or all the stops, all the starting points in the journey of a business analyst. Starting point called PM, which is project management. So you can see all the stations along the way, right? If you start as a BA/project manager, then you become a senior project manager, program manager, product manager, business director, VP, SVP, and finally COO or CEO. Okay, you become a CXO. So the starting point here is project management. If you are a business analyst/project manager, so this will be your career path. Talking about the next starting point, which is business analyst working alongside the business or taking care of all the business needs, which is the second starting point. So in this, you will follow this career path. You will start as a BA or a junior BA, then you will become a senior business analyst, then eventually you will become a business architect and senior business architect. And after that, you have a choice. Either you can go into the line of a project management, or if the company is following agile project management, then you can lean towards that particular career landscape and become a PMO director, VP, SVP, and CIO. So that will be the second career option for you, second career path for you. Talking about business analyst who's working in an agile environment. So taking this as a third starting point, this will be your career journey. You will start as a BA and eventually you will become a product owner. Okay, from product owner, you will become a team lead or a manager. Then you become a PMO director, VP, SVP, and CIO, which is Chief Information Officer. So this will be your career path or career landscape if the starting point is business analyst in an agile environment. Starting point, which is business analyst working in a technology environment. So you start as a business system analyst or a BSA, then you become a senior business system analyst, you become a business architect, then you become an enterprise architect. From there on, again, you have different options. Either you can lean towards business and agile environment side, or you can lean towards the project management side to become a COO. So these are all the career options, guys, you have as a business analyst. All the career options you have with all the starting points. I hope this graph clear all your doubts, where you can land if you start as a business analyst in your career. Over to you, Shubham, to explain the career.
So that's really a wonderful explanation, Atishay. That's really a wonderful explanation from your side. And now start from my side. So let me share my screen. So the career path of project management is like very straight. Okay, so you start your career as a project coordinator, for which you need zero experience. Okay, so whoever is a fresher or those who want to start their career, so they can opt as a project coordinator. So in which skill sets, like, you have a good communication skills, a basic knowledge of the industry where you want to go. Okay, so that's here you start your career as a project coordinator. After then you become an associate project manager, which needs an experience of 2 to 3 years of experience in a same domain, in the same industry, and with some kind of good skill sets. So the particular role of associate project manager is all about, handling their team and the kind of agile methodology, the process the industry is following. And the third thing is all about the technical skills that needs to, for an associate project manager. After gaining a 4 to 5 years of experience, then you become an experienced project manager. The role and responsibility of project manager is all about budgeting, scheduling, and the process, like how the process is working and meeting their deliveries. So that's what the main, I can say, a glimpse idea of, work of project manager. So under a project manager, there will be a 2 to 3 project coordinators, which works under a project manager. Then we have a senior project manager. So senior project manager, you become after gaining a 7 to 8 years of experience. And the roles and responsibility of senior project manager is all about, it's more into technical. So when you gain more technical knowledge, then you have become a senior project manager. So like Infosys, IBM, or like for big MNC company, they only opt for project manager or senior project manager. They don't hire like project coordinator or associate project manager. So for that, you have a good experience related to that particular domain of industry. After then we choose as a program manager. So program manager is all about like working on different projects. Okay, so program manager is all about like streamline the strategy. Okay, so the program manager main responsibility is all about to work on the strategy. And in the program manager, they manage different project managers. Their main objective is like, are we meeting with our deliveries or not, at what exactly the objective of that project. So that's the multiple of projects that needs to be handled by program manager. Then we comes more experience we gain, so we comes to the portfolio manager. So portfolio manager you become after having an experience of 12 to 14 years of experience you should have. And the main objective of portfolio manager is all about like, he works on different projects, right? So like for program manager, he used to have same domain, same projects. But for the portfolio manager, you should have the objective of the company, more of the business objective. For that you should require an MBA, and you should have a good skill set in all about business industry, like how you can gain and make a profitable business for your company. So that's what all about the portfolio manager. For example, like for the program manager, they need to work on a single project. Okay, like if we talk about like IT. Okay, so for program manager, he used to handle one of the basic domain that is called IT. But when we comes at the situation at the level of portfolio manager, so it's kind of project which is in different domains. So sometimes you need to be R&D of a small environmental research. That's one thing. Second thing, there is technology project. Third thing is all about setting up a new company or new small office. So this is all comes under the portfolio manager, like what kind of decision they want to make, what kind of the whole thing is all depend on the portfolio manager. After then after completing portfolio manager, then we become as a vice president of the company and CEO and CTO. So this is how the things and the way of the career path. So from project coordinator to become a CEO or the CEO of the company, this is how it works if you choose a career path of project manager. So it's very simple, and you can opt for, because there are a lot of people who don't know what exactly the career path of project management. But this slide will going to help and let them know what exactly the roles and responsibilities of project manager and how they can start and end up their career as a CEO in a big company. So for that, you require of experience of 14 to 15 years of experience. And apart from that, it's all depends upon your skill sets. So that's all for today from my side. If we have any other question, you can go on a comment section and I'll be more to reply on that. Thank you so much.
So guys, I hope this video covers your doubt about how to go about as a BA, how to go about as a project manager, what will be my career landscape look like. So this video covers all. And if you have any doubts, any queries, you can drop a question in the comment section, and me and Shubham will be happy to take it, happy to resolve it for you guys. Once again, thank you so much, guys.
Also, we have short amount of time, so that we just give a glimpse of what about the basic, idea of exact, the position. But if you want to know or more curious about what exactly the roles and responsibility for portfolio manager, what exactly the roles and responsibility for program manager, so in that we will come with different video series in which we will cover individual position and designation, and we'll brief out everything, what exactly the roles and responsibility for that. But for today, this is just a small glimpse of the career path we talked about, and I hope you get a fair idea. And thank you so much for for joining and for attending our session.
Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Have a good day.